The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 500 SE ABS has officially arrived, and it's creating shockwaves across the motorcycle world. At first glance, it may seem like just another entry-level sport bike, but look a little closer, and you'll realize Kawasaki has built something far more impressive. Whether you're a beginner rider or someone looking for a fun, affordable daily bike with real attitude, the Ninja 500 SE delivers on every front, and it's got people talking for all the right reasons. Let's start with the design, because that's the first thing that hooks you. This bike looks sharp. With its angular LED headlight, aggressive fairings, and the sleek graphics exclusive to the SE trim, it doesn't just resemble its bigger brothers, it stands proudly among them. The 2025 Ninja 500 SE has a clear sport bike DNA that screams Ninja lineage, but it also feels fresh, modern, and incredibly well thought out. The seat height sits at a comfortable 30.9 inches, making it approachable for newer riders, but the bike never looks or feels like a compromise. The red and black accents, the slim LED turn signals, and the stylish windscreen, it's all purpose-built to give that premium look without the premium price tag. Now under the bodywork is where things really start to get interesting. The all-new 451cc parallel twin engine offers a surprising amount of torque and usable power across the rev range. Kawasaki has tuned this motor to be beginner-friendly without sacrificing the thrill factor, and honestly, they've nailed the balance. With around 50 horsepower on tap and a smooth 6-speed gearbox, the Ninja 500 SE is lively, responsive, and more than capable of holding its own on the twisties or highway rides. Twist the throttle and there's enough grunt to leave traffic behind without scaring newer riders into hesitation. It's a confidence-inspiring engine, one that makes you want to push just a little more each ride. And speaking of confidence, let's talk about that ABS system. The SE model comes with dual-channel ABS, which is a big win for safety. The brakes themselves are responsive and predictable, and the ABS kicks in subtly when needed. Whether you're navigating wet streets or an unexpected stop, the system works flawlessly to keep things under control. This kind of tech used to be reserved for higher-end models, but Kawasaki is changing the game by offering it at this price point. Combine that with the slipper clutch, and you've got a package that's forgiving when you need it but fun when you want it. The suspension setup is equally impressive for a sport bike in this category. You've got a telescopic fork up front and a preload adjustable rear shock that together offer a nice blend of comfort and control. Whether you're commuting through the city, carving through back roads, or hitting a weekend track day, the bike remains composed and agile. It tips into corners effortlessly, feels light under you, and reacts precisely to rider input. For something under the 500cc class, it punches well above its weight in handling. Then there's the tech. The Ninja 500 SE includes a full-color TFT display, something you'd expect on a bike twice the price. It shows everything you need at a glance: speed, gear position, fuel level, and more, with crisp visibility in both daylight and night riding. It even includes Bluetooth connectivity so you can pair it with your phone through Kawasaki's Radiology app for additional data and trip tracking. This isn't just a beginner's bike, it's a modern sport machine built with today's riders in mind. Fuel efficiency is another win. You're looking at real-world mileage that's easy on the wallet, making this a smart choice for anyone who wants the thrill of a sport bike without the constant gas station visits. Combine that with Kawasaki's well-earned reputation for reliability, and you've got a motorcycle that won't just thrill you today, it'll stick with you for years. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 500 SE ABS isn't just a new model, it's a statement. A statement that you don't need to spend big to have a bike that looks incredible, rides like a dream, and has the technology to back it all up. Whether you're a first-time rider or someone who just wants a fun, capable machine without breaking the bank, the Ninja 500 SE delivers in every way that matters. No wonder it's going viral. This bike is the real deal.